Senate Bill 13 allows for the imposition of life without parole as a sentencing option for the crime of murder. Prior to this bill becoming law, in the case of murder, a convicted killer could only face a sentence of life with the possibility of parole. So a prosecutor could never meet with a victim's family and tell them that upon conviction, this person will not be returned to the street. In fact, the judges had no discretion. They had to sentence someone to a parolable sentence if they committed the crime of murder. The only way you could get life without parole in Georgia prior to this bill was if you sought the death penalty and failed to obtain a unanimous recommendation, or if it was a repeat offender of a serious violent felony. But there was no ability for a judge to sentence someone to life without parole for a murder case that was not a capital case. And this bill will allow that. Frankly, we believe it will save a great deal of money because some of the cases which had been pushed into the capital context had been done so only to obtain a life without parole verdict. And in fact, the prosecutors may have felt like there was not really a way to get the death penalty, but nevertheless they had to go that route, which is very time-consuming and very expensive in order to arrive at this sentence. This will allow that possibility on the front end. But I think you can, for the first time, say to a victim's family that if we get a conviction, the court has the ability to sentence this person to life without parole and they'll never be on the street again. And so justice can be obtained in those situations, and it's a matter of whether or not the courts will do so.